never too old. It's not too late. Welcome back to Never Too Old to Start. Remember, my new mission in life is teaching retirees and anyone getting close to retirement who is not financially ready for retirement, learn how to make some easy extra income on the internet, like maybe an extra 6 figures a year. I know what that could do for even an extra $1,000 a month. And it's so easy. It's like the perfect business. You set it up. In many cases, it doesn't cost you a penny. And all of a sudden, while you're sleeping, you're making money. You are going to love it. Now, what I want you to do, you're probably thinking, oh, I couldn't do that. Oh, yes, you can. Let me tell you something, my friend. You have an extraordinary life full of stories and knowledge and experience that other people want to know. And if you set up your course the right way, they will pay for it. You know what? Maybe they'll pay $20. Maybe they'll pay 50. Maybe they'll pay 100. Maybe they'll pay 1,000. Maybe someone will pay 25,000. I don't know. I'm just telling you, it is possible. So what I want to think about right now, what in your life is an experience that you could transmit? What is a story? What are your experiences? What are your skill sets? What are your passions? What are your hobbies? What are your organizations? What are your affiliations? And I just want you to start writing a list. This is what I call the door opening theory. We are opening some doors in your subconscious mind. And I'll tell you something. When the first door opens, it never closes, and they keep going whap, 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 whap. They keep opening until finally you open that last door and you have this huge, brilliant, explosive flash of enlightenment and understanding, and you're going to figure it out, and you are on your way. So I am very honored and excited to help this new group of crazies, people who really, truly believe that things can be different and better, help you get to where you want to go so you can enjoy life, not worry about your bills, certainly not worry about your Social Security check. Let's get off expecting the government to take care of us and be able to do whatever you want. So remember, subscribe. Tell all your friends. And I've got my 6-figure retirement summit coming up, 6figureretirementsummit.com, end of February. Wow, it's going to be loaded with speakers who are going to help you and just show you incredible ways, and it's mindset and energy. It's going to be powerful and beautiful and jam-packed. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends, because let me tell you something. It is never too old to start.